so my name is Mohammed Faisal Hayat and I am your arbitrator for today's proceedings. So have the parties agreed on the procedure?
Yes.
Can you please tell us what's the procedure for today's proceeding?
We are presenting first, and I being a claimant, I will be addressing the first argument of ours, which is related to the performance of the company. And the second
You can just describe the procedure who want to go first and third. So you are claiming you want to go first and
We want to
followed
go
by the respondent.
Yes.
And how many minutes have you reserved for the
So for the first speaker, we have reserved 3 minutes, and the same goes for the second speaker.
And same with the respondent, right? 3 minutes.
Yes.
Okay, perfect. You can start whenever you are ready.
Good afternoon. I, Muhammad Asad, along with my co-counsel Muhammad Shahid, being claimant in this case, will be representing Pure Air Solutions, which are service providers. Mr. Arbitrator, would you like me to go through the brief text?
Yeah, you can just summarize it in 30 seconds.
Alright, thank you. Pure Air Solutions entered into a contract with Urban Development Authority, in which the consideration of Urban Development Authority was the installation and operation of 50 air purification units, and our consideration was the payment of $100,000 per month. So, which is contingent on the 10% decrease in the smoke level. Now, Mr. Arbitrator, I will come to the first argument of ours, which is the performance of our company. I would like to give a brief. I would like you to go through the performance of our company, which is Mr. Arbitrator. The contract requires the company. The contract requires the company to install 50 air purification units across the city, and the Urban Development Authority will pay $100,000 per month, which is contingent on the evidence that smoke level will decrease by at least 10% within the first 6 months. Now, 7% decrease has been noted in the smoke level in 4 months, while the requirement was 10% in 6 months. Now, we have made the progress despite the bad weather conditions. So, now it is mentioned in the contract, Mr. Arbitrator, that the opponent party is supposed to pay $100,000 if they are satisfied with the performance. So, in this case, they are violating the clause 2 of the contract, which is Urban Development Authority are supposed to pay $100,000 per month. Yes.
So that's all your argument.
Yes, my first argument is that they are violating the clause 2 of the contract.
Any other argument? That's all.
The second argument, which is regarding the not issuing the
If
notice.
you want to describe more, like that's all from
Yes.
your side. If you don't have anything else, we can move to the respondent counsel. You can start whenever you are ready.
Thank you. Good afternoon, Mr. President. My name is Ibrahim, and this is my co-counsel, Kulsum. Today we will be presenting our response to the claim from Pure Air Solutions that have brought against for not having paid out dues that amount to $200,000 for the remaining 2 months. Additionally, also claims that there have been a breach of the 30-day notice clause within the contract. Before I start, I want to bring this to your attention that this was a pilot project. This was not meant to be a long-term project. This was a project where we would determine if we can work with the Pure Air Solutions for a long period that we are facing in the smog. So to address the arguments from the first argument from the Pure Air, it is that more than half the term of the contract period has been passed and 400,000 has already been paid